Grabe talaga yung Sir William na yan. Kung kailan nabuhayan ng loob yung mga kadimoy natin, basag trip naman siya.
Kaya nga eh. Bukas ang bukas magre-resign na rin kami. Hindi ko na masigmuraan magtrabaho doon knowing na hinarang ni Sir William yung tulong para sa komunidad natin.
Grabe magbiro yung tadhana, no? Nakaraan lang, sobrang saya ko. Kasi nasolusyonan na yung problema ng mga kadimoy natin. Tapos umamin pa sa akin si Sir Macho na gusto niya ako. Babawiin din pala lahat.
Hindi naman lahat. Andiyan pa rin naman si Sir Matthew ah.
Speaking of,
Uy, naririnig tayo.
Uy. Ang sabi?
Oh, bakit? Ano problema, Besh?
Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko naharapin si Sir Macho ngayon eh. Pag magkasama kami, maiisip ko. Lahat ng pangmamaliit sa akin ng tatay niya. Tapos, naiisip ko kung anong ginawa ng tatay niya sa mga kadimoy natin.
Hindi. Kaya nga, dapat mas mag-usap kayo, di ba? Para alam niyo yung paano gagawin para makamove forward matapos ang lahat ng nangyari, di ba?
Ang kasagutin mo.
Ma'am! 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 Gising! Gising! Ma'am! Ma'am!
Si Tita May.
Di ba kayo po magkasama kanina?
Hindi. Malamang nakatakas. Habulin niyo! Maghiwalay tayo. Doon ka!
William, are you going to be playing darts all day? I mean, don't you want to discuss the resumption of the construction for the casino resort? Are you okay? I mean, you've been really quiet lately.
Matthew and I had a heart-to-heart this afternoon. I heard some things that I guess I needed to hear. And my takeaway from this is that I've really fallen very short as a father. To him, but especially to Drew.
William, malalaki na yung mga anak mo. They don't need to be coddled. And besides, kung ano man yung panahon na pinaglalaanan mo for the business, eh para din naman yan sa mga anak mo eh. The legacy of your business goes to your family.
Oh yeah, I've left him a very secure future, but what are they going to say about me when I'm gone? I'm not ready to leave this world and have my kids hate me.
What do you mean?
Okay. I read Matthew's proposal. He's right. We can do an eco-friendly resort which is beneficial to Ekin's community and is profitable to this company. I want to explore this as an idea, not just for my boys, but for everybody. There's still time to fix all the damage I've done.
William, hindi ito yung pinag-usapan natin, ha? Alam mo, huwag kang padalos-dalos. Just relax. Alam ko na. Why don't you have some tea to clear your head?
Yeah, actually, that's not a bad idea. Let me see if Clara's room.
Oh, no, Clara's not here. She already went home. Ako nang bahala. Give me 5 minutes.
Para makapag-decide na rin ako kung papatayin kita ngayon na hindi.
Hanggang, pinasagot mo, parang awa mo na.
Wonder who this is. Hello, who is this, please?
Pangga, it's me.
Palanga? Where are you? Whose phone are you using? Why are you using this phone?
Kinuha ko lang teleponong to. Andito ako sa Pilipinas. I've been here all this time.
What? The last time we talked, I thought you were in Paris.
Pangga, they just forced me to say those things to you para hindi kayo maghinala.
Wait, they. Who's they?
Mga dumukot sa akin. Pangga, please, tulungan mo ako.
Palanga, I need you to calm down, okay? Calm down and tell me exactly where you are.
Hindi ko alam kung nasaan ako, Pangga. Dinala nila ako sa warehouse. Dito sa may kakakuyan, Brad. Magsasend location ako sa'yo. Pangga, please, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan ako makakatakas ang mga mahabol sa akin.
Palanga, you need to be brave. You need to tell me exactly where you are, and I will come get you.
Please, Pangga, tulungan mo ako. Pumunta ka na dito, please.
You need to be brave, Palanga. Just hide somewhere safe, and Soraya and I will call for help.
No. Huwag mo sasabihin kay Soraya na nag-uusap tayo. Please, Pangga, please. Huwag.
Why not? She's probably going to be helpful.
Hindi naintindihan. Hindi mo dapat pagkatiwalaan ng babaeng yan.
Oh, what do you mean?
Kapatid ni Soraya si Rika. At si Soraya ang nagpadukot sa akin. Papatay niya tayo. Uubusin niya pamilya natin pagsingkit.
Sinong kausap mo?
Drew, just got a text from Dad. What is it? Clara, call security. Go to Dad's office right now. Drew, let's go. Let's help him.
Nahirapan mo kami. Gusto mo pasabugin yung utak mo?
Hindi mo ako! Ikaw ang dapat matakot. Dahil kapag sinaktan mo, susugurin namin ang pamilya at uubusin namin kayo! Hindi mo ko hayop ka!
You are so evil! I can kill you right here, right now!
Oo, patayin, please, maawa ka!
Why should I listen to you?